Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. In this instalment, we have these Gunpla chisel and punch set. They aren't the greatest, if I'm honest, but they're very low quality. I've used them on one job, and they do actually get their job done. They look pretty good. All the reviews on Amazon said they're pretty good. So I thought I'd pick them up. And when I used them, they are terrible. I don't know if you can see the damage on here. Let me try and zoom in so you can have a quick look at the damage on it. You can see, fairly damaged. There, just rolled over the minute it touched anything solid. Same with this punch. Tried to start a punch for a drill bit, and there's a mild still. So it wasn't exactly the hardest still of them you could put it through. And yeah, here's another one, as you can see. Just went to pieces, really. There were big divots in them. I did try and sharpen them up, but it just doesn't keep an edge. You can see just there, you can see the real big divot on it. And yeah, even the biggest one, which was probably the most used one out of the bunch, gave in pretty easily, as you can see. The paint does come off, it chips. As you can see, this is where I've been hammering it. See, it's been giving up to get a bit wet. And with the punches, tried to drive a little pin out. As you can see, didn't really last. So yeah, really, I'm just making this video to let you know that these are terrible, and if you can avoid them, well, don't. If you can, you should totally avoid them. What I was going to say about them, not a lot really. They are absolutely shocking, and that's my final thoughts on them. I'm not even going to give them a spanner. I don't think they deserve it. I was that disappointed with them. They're going to go into the bin where they deserve to be. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Hopefully it'll be a more positive one. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.